things. So these all are learned in the lesson, in the first lesson, living and non-living things. So yesterday I already informed to you. So in today's class I start a new lesson, that is the second lesson, parts of a plant. Today we start the second lesson, that is after we completed the first lesson, that is living and non-living things. Today we start the second lesson, that is parts of a plant. So in this lesson I am explaining to you, so what are the main parts of a plant, and what are the uses of the plant, and what are the main functions of the different parts of the plant. అంటే ప్లాంట్ లో ఉన్న డిఫరెంట్ పార్ట్స్ ఏంటి, ఆ పార్ట్స్ చేసే మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఏంటి. సో దీస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ explaining in this lesson. So first I am explaining to you So in this lesson I am explaining to you, so what are the main parts of a flower, what are the main parts of a plant, and what are the main functions of this plant. So here first I am explaining to you what are the main parts of the plant. Yes, can you say anyone? What are the main parts of the plant? Yes. Plants are the one of the most important thing on the planet Earth. Plants are the most important thing on the planet Earth. Plants give us what? So plants అంటే ఏంటి? మొక్కలు. మొక్కలు మనకి ఏమి ఇస్తాయి? Plants give us fresh air, oxygen. So plants give us fresh air and oxygen. And plants are very helpful to us. In which ways plants help us? So plants అనేవి మనకి ఎలా హెల్ప్ అవుతాయి? Yes, can you think, children? How the plants helpful to us? Yes, plants give us flowers, fruits, vegetables, fresh air and oxygen. So these are plants give us. Next, so like human beings have different parts like eyes, ears, nose, hands, legs, head. So these are the different parts of the human being. Like the different parts of the human being, the plant also different parts. Yes, children, do you understand? Like human being have different parts, అంటే మన బాడీలో డిఫరెంట్ పార్ట్స్ ఎలాగైతే ఉంటాయో, yes, the plant is also have different parts. So plant కూడా different parts అనేవి ఉంటాయి. So what are the main parts? So what are the main parts of the plant? And different parts of the plant perform different functions. So different parts of the plant performs different functions. So like human beings have different parts of the body, yes, the plants also have different parts. Next, they also help in making food. And they also help in making, distributing and storing the food. Distributing and storing the food. So here children, today I start a new lesson, that is parts of a plant. So these plants are very important thing on the planet Earth. అంటే మన భూమి మీద planets అనేవి, these are the very important. So plants are very useful to us. How the plants are useful to us? Plants give us fresh air, oxygen. Yes, fresh air, oxygen, fruits, flowers, vegetables. So these are give us by the plants. So ఇవన్నీ కూడా plants మనకి ఇస్తాయి. Next, and like human being have different body parts. So మన human body లో different parts ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో, plants also have different parts. So these different parts of the plant perform different functions. Yes, next, so these parts help to the plant to grow up and survive. So these parts of the plant help to the plants to grow and survive. Next, so here children, some parts of the plant above the ground and some parts of the plant below the ground. అంటే so plant ఉన్న parts some plants are above the ground. కొన్ని ground పైకి ఉంటాయి, some of the parts is below the ground. కొన్ని parts ground below లో ఉంటాయి. So what are the main parts of the plant? What are the main parts of the plant? Flowers, fruits, leaves, stem and roots. Some parts of the plant above the ground. Some plant kunna some parts above the ground. Some parts of the plant below the ground. So here what are the parts of a plant? Flowers, fruits, leaves, stem, roots. So these are the 5 main parts of a plant. So here students, all of you listen carefully and look at the board. Yes. Parts of a plant above the ground that we can see. For example, flowers, leaves, fruits, vegetables. Yes, these are the parts above the ground that we can see. అంటే అవి మనం చూడగలం కదా, fruits, flowers, vegetables, leaves. These parts of the flowers we can see. So this is called shoot of a plant. Shoot of a plant. And some parts below the ground. కొన్ని plant యొక్క parts below the ground అంటే కొన్ని భూమి లోపల ఉంటాయి. That we cannot see. This is called the root of a plant. The root of a plant. So here children, so some parts of the plant above the ground, some parts of the plant below the ground. అంటే కొన్ని plant యొక్క చిన్నగా ఉంటాయి. సో some plants are very tall and some plants are very short. And some plants grow very straight. Some plants grow very straight. But some plants do not grow straight. Some plants do not grow straight. But plants are different. But the parts of the plant is same. So ikkada plants ane different. But parts of the plant is same. Parts of the plant is same. Yes, children. So this is about the introduction of the parts of the plant, and your homework is read the lesson. Read the lesson. So your homework is what we discussed today in class, student. Do you understand? So today we discuss about parts of a plant. So this is the new lesson of your textbook, children. I hope all are have your textbooks. Yes. Open our running notebooks. Open running notebook. Don't open the classwork notebooks. Just open running notebook and copy all the points. Yes, children. Do you understand? Yes. Tomorrow